Hello, I just wanted to do a brief review on these Icon Duo lights that I got, and I got to tell you, I'm very happy that I purchased them. I previously had the Braun products, which I still have. I also bought their newest one that basically folds completely. Very happy with that too. It's 500 lumens. This one's the LSBR800. Looks like 800 lumens, rechargeable. Comes with the USB-C cable and connector, which is very, very nice. Super nice, strong magnet at the bottom. And these are basically the run times right here. At high 800 on the long light bar, 3-hour runtime. On the second step is 200 lumens, 7-hour runtime. On the second light bar, which is the shorter one, which is the smaller light, you get 500 lumens on that, 4.5 hours of runtime. And on the low level 180 lumen, you get 8.5 hours of runtime. On the flashlight, it's 150 lumens, and you get about 7 hours of runtime. Now, I got this one here. This is item number 59103, and you could get these obviously at Harbor Freight. Fantastic option. I was going to pick up 2 of them, but I ended up buying the Braun, the newer one that also folds completely, just like that. And so I could have both of them. It doesn't have a removable battery, so that's why I kept, I bought the Braun 2, which it does have a removable battery. Now, as far as, the flashlight is just one setting, and then the other 2 have 2 settings. So, like I said, I got the extended warranty just in case, the whole year plus the 3 months. I've never owned a Icon. I've had the Braun products for years. Very happy with that. I combined it with the 2100 lumen. This is the LWR2100, and it is very nice. 3 steps, magnetic at the bottom, and it is awesome. Very bright, and you could get this as a set also. This is basically it's an underhood floodlight system that you could add multiple of these, and you could use it also for the inside of the car. It has clips that clip to the hood or the inside of the car. Very nice setup. And like I said, the run times on this one is 2100 lumens, 2.5 hours, 1000 lumens, 5.5 hours, 280 lumens, 12 hours. So we'll go over both of them and see which one you like. This one here, like I said, it's got the 3 steps. For the different lumens, it has a little 3 LED indicator to show you your battery life and when you're charging it. The USB-C port right here, and it has a USB port, so if you want to charge your phone or anything like that, awesome. Dual magnets at the bottom, rotating head, so you could put it like this, whichever way you need it to. Very tough. It's got rubberized frame in the front. The back is like a hard, either metal or plastic. It feels solid. So really like this combination of both. Fantastic. I used it this weekend and I was happy with both of them. I ended up only using the 800 lumen because it was bright enough to do the job, which I'll show you some little clips. The same thing, this one does come with a USB-C cable, which is a nice upgrade from the micro USB, which you plug in right here. And it has the same thing, 3 little LED indicator lights to let you know, as far as charging or your battery life. What I like about this one also that it has memory. So if last time you used it on the 800 lumen, it'll go back to the 800 lumen next time you turn it on. So each of those have 2 levels. This one only has 1 level. And run times are good, and you can fold it and look how nice it is and compact. So that's what I like about it. Magnet is the strongest one out of all the ones that I tested versus the Braun, which is still a fantastic light, but it's a little bit bigger. But I am keeping both of them. I really do like the Braun. It's a little bit bigger, but not by much. So this one's, if you need something very compact for your pocket, the Icon will probably be the best option. So like I said, it doesn't have the battery that you can remove, so that's why I buy both of these. So I could, if this one dies, I could just grab this one and put this one to charge. The only thing that I was hesitating with the 800 light bar side, you can't tilt it down. You can't give it. I wish at least it'll give me like a 45. Kind of like this, but you have the 500 lumen on this side, so you can pretty much angle it whichever way you want. A lot of the times I put it here in the vise and I use it to see little things, and I kind of wanted that, that angle, but I could live without that. If you're going to put it under the car like this, it doesn't swivel like the Braun does, but you have to swivel basically on your base, wherever you're going to put the magnet on. That's where you find the angle you need, and then you go ahead and put it on the magnet. So super bright. Let's see how bright they are. And like I say, you know, you can't go wrong with this combination. They're fantastic, and you know, they look like they're well made. And you can pick these up at Harbor Freight online or at the store. So let's see more or less how bright they are. This one here is a flashlight, nice and bright, at 150 lumens. So it does feel like it's an actual flashlight, and very direct, you know, like it's directional. All right, so if I turn it off and then I turn it on, it goes back to the flashlight with the memory I spoke about. So now it goes to the 200 lumen on the long bar light, and then that's the 800 lumen on the long bar light. So this is the shorter bar light with a 180 lumens, and then that's the 500 lumens on the short bar light. So fold it, you know, like this. If it's not on a metal surface, it'll kind of tip over if you angle it too much, but you can still do like maybe a 45 degree and it'll stay, you know, without tipping over. So let's go ahead and check out the 2100 lumen. Right there, that's the low, 280 lumens. That's 1,000 lumens, and that's 2100 lumens. So this thing is pretty bright. So it lights up a room pretty good. You know, it's not like designed to be painting a room, but it is a compact light. So in conjunction with the 800 lumen one, I think it will work fantastic. So this one here, it is the 800 lumen icon, and that is the light you see right there. So I'm gonna turn it off so you can see how much the difference it makes. All right, so that's without the light. There's no other lights in here at this moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on again, and that's what you get. So now I'll show you the 2100 lumen one. That's step 1, 2, and that's 2100 lumens of work light. It's like daylight down here. You know, that's hanging up there. And you see this one's off. So if you don't want it on the top, you want it on the bottom. Just food for thought. So if you're looking for a nice dual set, something a little stronger, something portable, precise, you won't be disappointed. You know, go out, take a look, buy one. You know, if you could find perhaps sometimes they have specials or coupons or things like that. I think they have a membership also. What I did, I downloaded the app, and you get the coupons on your phone every time they come out, so you don't miss any of their specials. So with that said, fantastic set. Go out and get one. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, let me know.